For over 2 years, I applied for various jobs here in the UK, but I was unable to land any despite numerous multi-stage interviews. Feedbacks from the interviews were largely impressive, with promises of possible job contracts to follow, but often the recruiters would come back to either inform me that a staff had been promoted internally to fill the position or that the company had decided to move on with another candidate. This year, May, I interviewed with a particular multinational, and on the final interview, I was informed by the head of operations that I was the preferred candidate and that there was an approval from the head office for me to be employed for the position. I was glad it finally happened, but alas, I was later informed a few days later that the company had moved on with yet another candidate. I felt beaten, but did not lose hope. I had a few more interviews afterwards, but still no positive news. I got tired of applying for jobs in June and decided to take a break while I looked forward to the Accelerate conference. On the first day of the conference, Pastor Godman talked about the missing link.
Whatever the missing link is, God will show you during this worship.
And I believed God would restore the missing link in my career. Less than 2 weeks after the Accelerate conference, I got a call from the same company that turned me down in May, asking if it was possible for me to resume the next day. I resumed, albeit in the junior role, but on my 5th day on the job, I got promoted to the same role that I had interviewed for, and my contract got revised. The Waymaker has indeed restored the missing link for me. Hallelujah.